Yo, what's great, everybody? Today's a beautiful day. It's a day we never seen before, and a day we'll never ever see again. Everywhere else, I'm known as Eddie One Take, but on this channel, I'm RTX Eddie, man. See the build? Yes, sir. Okay, so we got the last piece, obviously. If you know anything about computers like I do now, see the graphics card is missing. So I'm just gonna unbox this and probably do a quick install and then go get a mouse. Bear with me as I open the last Amazon box for a little while. Yes, sirski. See what we're working with. PNY GeForce RTX, like your boy here. 4080 Super. Alright, so I'm gonna install this bad boy and then go get a mouse. And then we're gonna boot her up, man. Appreciate y'all subscribing to the channel, following, watching, commenting, man. It means a lot. Hope you enjoy the rest of the journey. Let's get it. Alright, so I got the legs open. Let's see what's inside of this bad boy. It's my first time ever getting a graphics card. My first time ever shopping with PNY. So I can't give you guys a review, but from the looks of it so far, this looks fire. I'll be able to review it after I use it for a little bit, but we got some accessories right here. The graphics card right here. Try to pull it out with one hand, but bear with me, man. Yeah, that was work. All right, we went 4080. 4080 Super, baby. Big dog shh. Yes, sir. So I'm about to install this. All right, we about to see if this works.
You know, different like narratives going on around about you.
Oh my God.
When I first met you, I'm like, you know, and I looked at you.
Oh, it works.
And I told him, I'm like, nah, that nigga.
Holy hot shit.
You know what I'm saying? So and I told a couple others, I'm like, nah, you know, cause I think I'm a good director, but